Magandang araw po sa ating lahat para po sa ating Bible Knowledge of the Day. Ngayong June 12 po, holiday po ngayon ng Biyernes. Ano po? By the way, mamaya po meron tayong fellowship dito ng 2 o'clock sa mga taga-Camden. Punta po tayo at kukunin po natin ang pagkakataong ito para tayo po ay mag-fellowship. And okay. Proverbs 22 verse 2, the Bible says, the rich and poor meet together, but the Lord is the maker of them all. Yan po ang pamagat natin. Yung maker po dyan, asa sa Hebrew word, ang ibig sabihin po ay work or accomplish. So, ang Diyos ang nag-work sa tao, rich man yan or poor man yan, ang Diyos ang may gawa sa kanila. So, despite differences in wealth and social status, all people share the same Creator, the Lord. Human equality before God. Rich and poor may have different circumstances, but their value as human beings comes from being created by God. So, mahirap man yung mayaman, huwag po natin silang husgahan or i-condemn yung mahirap, i-praise yung mayaman, at ano man ang social status nila mga kapatid or economic status, creation po sila ng Panginoon. Kaya't binavalue po ng Panginoon ang both rich and poor, di ba? So they are human equality before the Lord as being created. Ano po? Sa practical application po natin dito, the verse encourages people to, number 1, treat others with dignity, respect, regardless of economic status. So, irespeto po natin yan kahit hindi nakapagtapos yan, hindi nakapag-aral yan, walang degree yan, di ba? So, i-respect pa rin po natin. Tao pa rin po yan. Yung iba kasi, pagka may nakapag-aral, nire-recognize, nire-respect. Pag hindi, nililiit-liit. So, no, respect regardless of economic or social status. Number 2, avoid judging people based on wealth or poverty. Alright? So, avoid judging people based on wealth and poverty. Number 3, remember that all people are accountable to the same Creator. So, kung rich, ginamit mo ba ang riches mo sa Panginoon, sa kanyang gawain? Na-steward mo ba, na-manage mo ba ng maayos ang ipinagkatiwalang wealth sa iyo ng Panginoon? Kung poor, pero ginagamit niya, ni-steward niya, minamanage siya ng maayos para sa Panginoon, mas kikilalanin pa ng Diyos yung poor kaysa yung rich. Di ba? Kaya nga, we are accountable before our Creator. That's why, kinakailangan po ay we must respect all people. Sa ating pong principles of the day, number 1, rich and poor may have different circumstances, but God is the Creator of them both. Number 2, if God accepts both, then avoid judging either. So, sino man yan. Okay? So, we love all, rich and poor, at kinakailangan pong respect even the poor. And we have the same respect to each other. We value each other. At ang Panginoon, the Lord is the maker of them. Okay, yan po ating Bible knowledge of the day. God bless you po.